Heroes in a half shell. Turtle power. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. These turtles. What is teal? What is green? What is blue? How many variations are there? I don't know. But I can show you all the variations I've found. And then maybe you can do the math equation. And then we can find out that, yes, there are more than 1,000 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Thought there was only 4. Ha! You gotta include that Fox set. Yeah. Gotta include the Fox set. That's what puts them over the top. Alright. So let us start here. There we go. Happy Turtle. Angry Turtle. Let's talk Happy Turtles first. So when we look at these two Happy Turtles, they look the same. The stems look the same. I've been told that this is teal. I don't know if this is teal or not, but that's what I've been told. When we look at the countries, we see 2 different countries. We have Hungary and China. So knowing this, then we do know that these are going to be different molds, one way or another. So when you look at the side, this little hole right here, you can tell just by looking at the side, the Chinese one, right here, it's a little bit, if you don't work with me, yeah, it's a little bit more centered than the Hungarian one, which is a little more off to the left. So that's one way to tell from the side. Now looking at the back of the heads, I'm going to turn now. Thank you. This one right here is going to be smoother. Again, this is the made in China. This one here, again, Hungary, is going to have this thumb tab on the back of the head. So there's going to be your mold variation. So the countries do matter when it comes to which one was made into it if you're going that far into these variations. So look for Hungary and look for China. Moving right along. All right. So in comparing a lot, I see this pink. So when I pull the pinks away from the purple, I see we have Hungary and China again. Now, angry face, made in China. Over here we have a China angry face as well. And then we have a China happy. Again, the variations on these 2 happies, you'll see that the eyes are different. And then when we look at the back of the heads here, if you look really closely right inside there, what do you see? So blurry, Josh. Okay, can you see that really thick kicker? Okay, well, it's touching that multi-leaf spring. That is a multi-leaf spring, so that means there are 4 leaves of plastic. This one right here in this dispenser is a single leaf spring. So see the single leaf spring? And this is the multi-leaf spring! Ah! Yet another variation that we have to look for. So we have happy, angry. Then we have thumb tab, no thumb tab. And then we have countries such as Hungary. And then we have China. Don't we? Where's China? There it is. And then, why not? Let's throw it out there. I don't like the red stems. They don't show up as well. Made in Slovenia! Uh-oh. So, that's another one. So now we have 3 countries. So we have Hungary. Let's see, yeah. Hungary, China. Here's the Slovenia. Nope. Get this one out of here. Do I have a Hungary angry face? No, I don't think I do. Oh, here. No, that's a Slovenia. Ah. But here, the angry turtles that were made in Slovenia, you can see they also have a different hole. They also have the thumb tab, if you will. So, there are so many different variations, and, oh, wait a minute, there is one more. There's one more! I just found another one! Oh, I love this. Both of these are made in Slovenia. Can we get... See the different printing? Yeah, they're different. Okay, so then you have printing differences on the stems. We have happy and angry. We have thumb tabs, no thumb tabs. We have multi-leaf springs versus single-leaf springs. Then we have the different stem colors. So to answer your question, how many turtles are there? It depends on how deep you want to go down this hole. So, my guess, 4. Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo. So until next time, and don't forget the fox ones.